Child abduction is a serious crime in the UK, governed by a range of legislation aimed at protecting children and ensuring their safe return when taken unlawfully. British law addresses both domestic and international abductions, providing mechanisms for legal recourse and the recovery of abducted children. The Child Abduction Act 1984 is the primary legislation concerning child abduction in the UK. It creates domain offences, parental abduction, under Section 1 of the Act. It is a criminal offence for a parent or guardian to take or send their child under the age of 16 out of the UK, without the consent of those with parental responsibility or the permission of the court. This offence recognises that even parents can be guilty of abduction if they violate custody arrangements or take the child without consent. Abduction by others. Section 2 makes it an offence for anyone not connected with the child, such as a stranger, to take or detain a child under 16 without lawful authority or reasonable excuse, intending to remove the child from the control of the parent or guardian. The Children Act 1989 plays a crucial role in the protection of children, particularly in cases of parental disputes. The Act emphasises the welfare of the child as the paramount consideration in all matters of custody and parental responsibility. It provides for prohibited steps. Orders can prevent a parent from taking certain actions, such as removing a child from the country without the court's permission. Specific issue orders resolve disputes between parents on specific matters, such as where a child should live and whether they can be taken abroad. The UK is a signatory to the Hague Convention on the Civil Aspects of International Child Abduction 1980. This international treaty aims to ensure the prompt return of children wrongfully removed from their country of habitual residence. The convention provides a legal process for seeking the return of abducted children, focusing on restoring the status quo by returning the child to their home country for local courts to resolve custody issues. There are limited defences against returning a child under the Hague Convention, such as when there is a high risk of harm the child is returned. The UK's Extradition Act 2003 and various bilateral agreements facilitate the extradition of individuals accused of child abduction, particularly in cases involving international abduction. This legal framework ensures that abductors can be brought to justice even if they flee the country. Courts can issue orders to surrender a child's passport to prevent international abduction, and law enforcement can issue alerts and warnings, both domestically and internationally, when an abduction is suspected. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.